Starting a business can feel overwhelming, but getting the legal stuff right from the start will save you headaches down the line. Today, I'm going to walk you through a 16-point checklist to make sure your business has a solid legal foundation. Let's get into it. First up, define your mission. This is your why. Why are you starting this business? What's driving you? Knowing your mission helps you stay focused and aligned. Next, define your end goal. What's the ultimate achievement you're aiming for? This could be anything from hitting a revenue milestone to launching a specific product. Third, define your who. Who's part of your team? Who are your partners or key stakeholders? Knowing this helps you understand who's in your corner. Fourth, define your where. Where will you operate? Where will you register your business? And where are your customers located? Your location matters for legal and tax reasons. Number 5, protect your brand. Think about trademarks, copyrights, and patents. Protecting your intellectual property is crucial to maintaining your competitive edge. 6, plan your funding. Are you self-funding? Looking for investors? Taking out a loan? Knowing how you'll fund your business is key to getting it off the ground. 7, select your type of entity. Will you be an LLC, corporation, or partnership? This affects your taxes, liability, and other legal obligations. 8, register with your state. Once you've picked your entity type, you need to register your business with your state. This makes everything official. Number 9, select your tax treatment. This is about how you want to be taxed by the IRS. Your options depend on your entity type, like being taxed as a sole proprietor or a corporation. 10, obtain your EIN from the IRS. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is like a social security number for your business. You need it to open a bank account and file taxes. 11, set up a separate bank account for your business. Don't mix personal and business funds. A separate account keeps everything clean and organized. 12, determine your industry-specific regulations. What licenses and permits do you need? These vary depending on what you do and where you operate. 13, determine your potential liabilities and insurance needs. What risks does your business face? Get the right insurance to protect yourself. 14, set up an accounting system. Whether it's hiring a bookkeeper or using an online platform, keeping your books in order is a must. 15, set up your basic contracts. Don't skip written agreements. They protect you and set clear expectations with partners, clients, and suppliers. Finally, 16, keep it simple. Once you've gone through this checklist, avoid adding unnecessary complexity. Focus on what you do best, running your business. If you have topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to keep getting accessible legal education for small business owners. This video is brought to you by LegalRegistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit LegalRegistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Thanks for watching.